Alright, so I got a call about a unit that's icing up the evaporator coil. I just start with the basics. Yeah. Plugger bugger. You know, just checking with the basics. We'll go check the defrost timer. It's got a defrost timer in the coil to shut down the liquid line solenoid valve, so we'll go check that next. All right, now I'm going to check the evaporator section. First, I want to check the thermostat, see what it's set for. Yeah, 13 degrees. That'll ice up your coil every single time. This is where I like to run them. 38.3. Oh my goodness. We do have a defrost timer here. We are in a defrost. And our coil is pluggo buggo iced up coilititis special. So we need to get that de-iced. So we got mega multiple offender. Stat set too low, condenser dirty. And that's just to get started. So let me get this ice melted.